Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. What's happening, party people? In case you don't know, I'm doing a little bit, I guess you would call it, of a fundraiser. If you want to help me out with it, that'd be great. I'm trying to get a entry-level professional t-shirt printer. It also prints other things that I could put on various amount of things. So if you want to get involved with that, check the link in the description area. I appreciate your help. Anybody that donates to that or whatnot, I can also credit the amount that you help me out with back to you in the form of a 20% discount of anything that you have me involved with. So if you have me do some work, I can give you 20% discount until you use up the amount that you help me with on that printer. So there's that. I appreciate your support. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's clips. Okay, it is time for the big reveal. Is pepper still dry inside, or is it still wet like a river? See if the remote works. Remote doesn't seem to work. Heck, the car's open. And look at it here, folks. It is dry. Dry, dry, dry. Yes. I need to get some seat skins for this car because they're cracking and stuff. And this seat is filthy. Looks like somebody wasted some food in it. Let's take it for a spin. Clock is off, but it's running. So, should be good. Let's go. Fire right up. Check engine light. Gotta figure out what's going on with that. Both of these headrests are sagging and the headliner. Guess it was like that when I bought it because there's tax in it. Let's take this car for a spin, make sure it's running okay. Then scan these codes, see what's going on there, and reset this clock to the right time. Time to kick off the Tinker Day with this S70. I'm going to change the oil, scan the codes. I'm also going to check to see if I changed the spark plugs last time I had this car here. I think I did, but anyway, let's check it out and see what's going on. Man, this car is still a baby at 148 and needs a button there on the ECC. Let me go ahead and get my scanner, my new scanner, and scan it, see what it says. Last time I scanned it, it said it needed an O2 sensor. I'm not sure if he said he wanted to deal with that then, but he seems to want to deal with it now, and it's running great. The gas mileage is a little low, getting about 18 miles to the gallon. I was having problems powering this up with the power button. It seems like if I turn the ignition on, plug the cord in the port, plug it into the scanner, it just pops right up. So I'm going to go ahead and enter the VIN on this one and see what happens. Man, after a few months, I'm still at 178. Let me get my Wi-Fi tethered to my phone here. See what's going on there. See if I could go back. Settings. Network. On. I'm going to hook up to my network there. The vehicle has an SRS code and a check engine light, so I'm going to see what's going on with both. Had the scanner hooked up to the Wi-Fi, it did find the VIN on it. Reading the SRS code. Right SF SIPS bag signal missing. I think that's in the seat. The SIPS system. So let me check the connection under the seat. Make sure that's hooked up. See if it'll search the code out. Web page not available. Look like I lost my internet service. Well, the only two error messages I have is this passenger seat airbag and the O2 sensor code. So let's check this out and go from there. All done here. Figured out what was wrong with the SRS. Behind the glove box, there's a wire harness that one of the big plugs had come loose from. So I plugged that in, cleared the code, that's fixed. But I still haven't figured out what's going on with this sunroof. I'll dig into that next week. So let's go ahead and get this vehicle back to the owner and clean up some mess. See how high that idle is on Pepper? This thing has an intake leak somewhere. And it had a low coolant light. I had to stop and get water. This guy said he had put thousands and thousands of dollars into this thing, and man, just totally ripped off. Let me get to the post office and get this thing home. I don't see no coolant leak. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.